prefer to have the video camera
It is
on.
running right now, guys.
Yeah, it's a tornado right there. That's a tornado.
Yeah, we got a tornado.
Yeah, tornado.
Where are we? I don't even know where we are.
We are on State Highway 48.
This is Putnam Reiter with a severe weather report. I think I'm in Okfuskee County on Highway 48.
You're southeast of Welty, and you have a tornado on
You have a
highway.
tornado. I mean, I know it's not in your CWA, but I don't know Tulsa's number. We're aiming that thing at the ground.
Okay. I'll pass that on. Appreciate you calling.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Here we go again, guys. Next.
I'm in Okfuskee Creek County. I got a tornado that has been on the ground once.
Chase of emergency.
Okay, I'll call you back in a few minutes. I'm on the Creek County.